Hello everyone. For rent, 3 rooms apartment will with full sea view, mountain view. Rent apartment. There is elevator, swimming pool. This side is the balcony. The balcony is wide. 3 rooms for rent apartment. This is the living room. The living room also useful. This is the another balcony. This side. There is another balcony. And full mountain view. This is Manar City. Very close to Manar City. Living room. And view. Full sea view. And mountain view. The entrance of the apartment, the right side there is cupboard place for jacket, and there is lift, elevator, and this is the kitchen. First floor toilet, duplex, 3 toilets, 2 bathroom. This is the 1 bedroom, first bedroom. This is the second bedroom. And this is another balcony, full view. You know, this is the center of the Yuvajik site, full mountain view. This is the third bedroom. 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. Another bathroom this side. Cabinet place. The second bedroom. For more detail, you can contact with me. Full sea view for rent apartment.